Hey team, how are you? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're having a great Saturday so far. Just wanted to stop by and welcome all of our new team members. Yay! So excited to have you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let us know at any time if you have any questions. Be sure to go into your workstations and do your first thing first checklist, guys. You want to make sure you take care of that first. Inside of your workstation. Let us know if you have any questions in regards to that. We're happy to help every step of the way. There's still time for everybody to still share the $25 join special, guys. People still have time to join Scentsy with us for only $25. Isn't that amazing that you can get a Scentsy business for only $25? You get a website for free for 4 months, and then after that it's $10 each month thereafter. And then right after that, with that being said, you end up getting, guys, this kit that comes in the kit. I just love that we have that option and we have that opportunity to be able to be a part of Scentsy, enjoy Scentsy, and just do all the fun things with Scentsy. So I love that. I love that so much about Scentsy. I love that, we get to be a part of a community and we get to be family and friends and grow. And I've been a part of Scentsy for 12 years now, and I'm just so blessed to have each and every one of you guys in my life, even the new and even our seasoned consultants. So thank you so much for all that you guys do. You are amazing. I appreciate you all so much. So guys, even to our new consultants, you still have time to also build your team as well. So if you know anybody who wants to join Scentsy, family members, friends, cousins, aunties, teachers, neighbors, anybody you know that could use some extra money with Scentsy, being a part of Scentsy, just reach out to them and ask them, hey, have you ever considered joining Scentsy? Have you ever considered making extra money with Scentsy? They may not know what Scentsy is. However, you can share with them that they can get paid off of their own purchases when they become a Scentsy consultant just like you. And of course, you guys can learn together, grow together, and me being your upline, I will help you train them just like I'm training you. So just wanted to share that with you. I want to say super duper shout out to everybody who promoted this month. Yay! Super duper shout out to everybody that's close to promoting this month. Yay! So I'm so excited about that. There's our hero. Hey, Antoine. Hey. So yes, I'm so proud of you. You're so close to promoting, Antoine. I'm so proud of you. And I just want to say that, you know that I love you. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. It's good to be supported, right? So thank you for your support as well. And I love supporting you. I love shouting you out. I do. I love seeing you rise to the top. I love seeing you be successful. And so that's what it's all about, being a part of a community, and having people support you and having people to have your back. And they want for you just as bad as you want for you. They want you to be successful just as bad as you want to be successful. So that's what I love about being a part of Scentsy. But I didn't want to stay on here too long. Just wanted to stop by and say hello, let you guys know that I'm super duper proud of you guys. You guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. You are amazing. You are you all of that. You're all of that. So love you guys. Take care of yourselves. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help you every step of the way. I'm here for you guys. Just wanted to stop by and say, don't forget that today is the last day of the In Living bundle deal, guys. Today is the last day to get those deals in. I mean, a $10 a 10 bar special that you could get, that you could take advantage of. I think that's so amazing. You get to save $15 on that bundle, which, since he's doing that corporate, so we don't have to do that personal sale like we normally do. When we offer a 10 bar deal to our customers privately, since he's doing that publicly, and they get to choose any scent. So take advantage of it, guys. Text people, message people, email people, post like crazy all the way up until midnight, letting them know they can get that deal from scent circles to pods to car bars to scent packs to wax bars to be able to participate and help your PRV and help you guys to continue to promote this month. So don't forget to share those deals and those specials. And not only that, you got your Cozy Buddy that's out. You have the Scentsy Fresh limited time fragrances. You have that. You have the Panda, the Turning Red Panda. It's so many amazing things. Oh, and you have your clearance section. There's still things in the clearance section that you guys can share. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. Have a good day. You're amazing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.